Babbel.com and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment.
The
EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
Here's the latest from the KDKA Community Message Board.
The 14th annual Let Freedom Sing concert celebrating the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King is January 16th at 7 p.m. Join Master of Ceremonies and KDKA radio host Lynn Hayes Freeland in a program safely live-streamed over YouTube and Facebook from Pittsburgh's historic Hill District. Details at kdkaradio.com. The Pennsylvania Resources Council's Traveling Glass Recycling Bin Program provides a week-long drop-off collection opportunity. Think sustainable. Support this and other One Thing initiatives at kdkaradio.com/onething. Want to win over $5,000 in gift cards from restaurants in the region? Junior Achievement's Golden Meal Ticket Raffle is happening now. Buy a $10 raffle ticket to support JA's initiative to inspire and prepare young